Storytime, my partner's mom was attacked by his dad and the protection order hearing did not go well. I was so naive going into this. We don't have evidence of the smothering incident, but that incident and others have been documented with the police, and we do have evidence of threats, intimidation, and harassment via text. So I thought something crazy might happen, but I still felt optimistic going in, which was so naive of me. My partner and I went with his mom for support. First, we get there at 9 and the DV advocate hides us in a conference room so that we don't have to come into contact with the defendant. We were placed with other DV survivors, so I thought it was a little strange that there wasn't much care taken when it comes to confidentiality. I don't know what the norm is for stuff like this. I just feel like I have no business seeing photo evidence of another survivor's bruises. Second, she got free legal representation just for the protection order, but didn't get to meet her lawyer for the first time until right before the hearing was about to start. I mean, you get what you pay for when it comes to legal services. It's not their fault that they're overworked and underpaid, but it just really sucks that they didn't even want to see the texts and reports we printed out until the day was over. Third, the hearing was supposed to start at 10:30. The lawyer was trying to negotiate for mutual restraining orders, and that went on for a really long time and ended up failing, so the hearing didn't start until like 12:30. We were so hungry at this point. Fourth, because there's no jury, I thought the judge would be running the show. I was horribly wrong. It started with a lawyer putting her on the stand to basically talk about what happened and why she wants a protection order. Because the defendant was representing himself, he got the opportunity to cross-examine my mother-in-law. I am not joking when I say that it felt like an SVU episode. But I'm really proud of my mother-in-law. If it were me, I would definitely be frustrated crying on the stand, but she held it together. Unfortunately, because of how it went, they had to schedule us to come back for a full day trial, which they said would be months before it gets scheduled. At this point, all she wants is to be left alone. So we're at least glad that the judge put mutual restraining orders in place until the next trial. Unfortunately, she's giving up on custody. As you can see, the legal side is long and disappointing. My partner's younger sibling recently turned 17, which makes a lot of people turn a blind eye. And when you have limited funds, your legal options are almost non-existent. It was really depressing. We walked out of there in disbelief. And shortly after, my partner's phone was blown up by his dad for the rest of the day. If we get really lucky and 2,500 amazing people donate $5 to my mother-in-law's GoFundMe, she would be able to afford a good family lawyer. Even sharing and engaging with this video is super helpful. Thank you so much for your support.